So these are going to be the topics for the video. Okay, so first we are going to do an introduction to Blazor. Then we are going to do an introduction for Azure Video Indexer. Then we are going to start creating our Azure Video Indexer account in case you don't have any. It's a free trial with really good times, or a really good trial that you can use and index hours of videos through both the portal and the API. So it's really useful. Uh, then we are going to learn how to use the Azure Video Indexer portal. We are going to do some indexing of videos in the Azure portal. We are going to check the insights, modifying some of them. Then we are going to create an automated testing project where we are going to create a configuration helper, and we are going to create the list video test for with paging supported. This we are going to do it first, so we start doing automated testing before even going to coding the application. Okay, then we are going to do an introduction to the video Azure Video Indexer API. We are going to add the video indexer configuration using dependency injection in .NET Core 3.1. We are going to create the list videos endpoint, and then we are going to test that those that list videos endpoint actually works. Okay. Well, we are going to make sure that our tests actually succeed. Then we are going to create a components library, and we are going to add a Twitter button component, a LinkedIn button component, so you can add those to the pages, and you can click those buttons, or your users click those buttons and share the actual page where they are at the moment, so they can actually share the URL for the current video you are seeing when navigating through the videos. Then we are going to add support for searching videos, and then we are going to implement the authentication of users using Azure Active Directory Business to Consumer. Then we are going to restrict some of the content so only authorized users are able to see it. And then we are going to implement the uploading of videos or indexing of videos in your portal. So that's what we are going to see in the course. I hope you like them, and let us know anything you would like to learn. Thank you very much and have a great day.